How to add more than one face accessory on Roblox. Hi everyone, this is Neham from Create, Login and Delete, and today this video presentation I'll show you how to add multiple face accessories in Roblox quickly and easily. First of all, you have to go to the Roblox website on your phone or your computer using a web browser. Once there, go to the Avatar tab, then hover over to the accessories and choose an item to remove if you already have one equipped. To add a new accessory, right-click or long press on the second item and select Open Link in the new tab, and then copy the item ID from the URL. Go back to the avatar editor, choose Advanced, and paste the copied number in an empty box. You can add as many face accessories as you like. Save your changes, and your character will now wear both items simultaneously. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.